Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing fine. Not crazy motivated this morning. You get those mornings where you don't want to get out of bed.
Well, considering it's been raining for like the last 4 or 5 hours.
I want to tell people if they got any good reason to comment it down in the little typewriter section right now, because our reason is because it's raining outside. But right now, it doesn't seem so loud.
No, yeah, it was a lot louder earlier.
It could be a little low, the battle. And last night, I know around probably 1-ish, I don't know, don't have a watch anymore to look at, but could just hear some people, construction workers, just yelling at each other. Get the hell in the truck! There's lots of chaotic yelling, so yeah, we're going to try and motivate ourselves in the next 5, 10, 15, half-hour minutes, whatever. I don't know. Get up. For today's schedule, cross the border and find Big Boy Burger. I'm anxious on eating Big Boy. That's going to be good. That'll probably take us, I don't know, so it should be supper tonight. And, across the border. Okay.
Oh, donuts.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think we're still doing the donut review. Yesterday we started with the standard. Could have been high with my 8 with Tim Hortons.
I think you were pretty, generous with an 8 for Tim Hortons.
I think it's pretty good.
I think it was just because the price got you.
The price is good. So, it's Canadian. So, yeah, we're going to forget the name of the place. We'll give you guys the name once we get there.
Time to review some donuts in the States.
Yeah. So, anyhow, that'll be our first stop for you guys. So, stay tuned for that, my friends. Cheers. Okay, here we are again. As we said, we are at Superior Donut. As you see, a little logo there for you guys. I went simple today. You got just a simple glazed donut. Like I learned from yesterday with the Tim Hortons, if you go too extravagant, sometimes it's just too much. So sometimes you just gotta keep it simple. And Miss All Season got the apple fritter.
Yes.
Some sort of fritter.
It's some sort of fritter.
Yeah, find out soon enough. So anyhow, I have my bite of this here. She looks really freaking good. Not glazed on the bottom, but
normally they are.
That would get a bit messy anyhow. So have our first bite, give you my first impression. Then we'll, like I said, I'm not gonna let you watch me like a fat slob eat the entire thing. Have the first bite, then we'll go outside and give you guys our overall impression. First bite, not bad so far. Right now, once I know what the price was, I'll get back to you guys outside because we gotta do all the calculations in my noggin. So talk to you in a bit. Cheers. Oh yeah, as you guys can see, we are back. There is the Superior Cafe where we just had our donuts. And I gotta say, mine, it tasted really, really close to a Tim Hortons donut. And we already know I gave the Tim Hortons 8 out of 10. And so since it was really, really close, the price here was only $1, so that's cheaper. So in my mathematics, I gotta go with an 8.5, which might be even higher than any donut I gave on the last one.
Yeah, you're running out of numbers.
We
here.
still got 1.5 numbers. There's lots.
Are we going 0.25 soon?
I don't know.
0.1s?
We're in America, land of free. So you know what? It might be land of the donuts as well. Because if they all get between 8 and 10 low prices, I'm happy with that. What about yours? You might not be. You're not as generous as me.
No, well.
But your yesterday's was.
Last one was 5 yesterday.
Too much.
It was way too much. And then also today, I got a fritter. I don't think it was an apple. It was like a cinnamon.
Yeah, it
maybe.
was just
like there wasn't
different.
chunks of apple in it. It was really good, but again, I like plain donuts.
You should get stuff like that. That's what I've been getting.
Well, yeah. Well, I'm trying to find something else that I would like, and again, I found it super sweet.
Apple fritter used to be my go-to. but-
Yeah, I remember that. And so I think I'm going to try and start getting like not fancy donuts.
Yeah.
So I want to say my last one was a 5. I would give this one like 6.5, 7.
See, we're going up.
Yeah, it was better than yesterday's, but like I said, it's very, very sweet still. So, and I mean, I got hot chocolate, you got a coffee, and then
Yeah.
the 2 donuts. It was under $10, so can't go wrong there with a little cafe.
My coffee had to go with 2 different blends of coffee because they ran out of one, so then I just took the other one. But I'm not a big coffee connoisseur. Coffee is good in my mind. So
Yeah.
anyhow, other than that, the border crossing that went real smooth. We're in America now, like I mentioned. No issues there. And I gotta show you something with the Goldie Honda wing here. Yeah, this is an '84 Gold Wing, which will be going up for sale once we're back from this trip. Hopefully, maybe by the time you guys see this video, she might be sold.
Hopefully it's gone by the time you see it.
But if not, hey, feel free to comment in the typewriter section if you're interested. But check this out. This is some selling points. I don't need my blinker anymore. I want to kill my battery. Hey. Okay, look at that. If you can see. There you go. There's your dash. And look at that. Trip. Look at that miles per hour.
I don't know if I'm making this better
Yeah.
or worse.
Kilometers per hour, miles per hour. And my speedometer, yeah, switches from, so as soon as we cross the border, miles per hour. So that's some fancy technology for '84. None of my other bikes have that. Mind you, lots of my other bikes are dinosaurs as well. So anyhow, we're going to keep rolling. And later on, big boy, my friend. So stay tuned for that one. Cheers.
Never a dull day with you.
Yep. There you go. We got some botch fixes here. Start off, we will fix this before the bike is sold, but we have one shredded up here that started off stripped. So that one was kind of loosey. And in the back we got a broken bolt in the back. So now I got no bolts on this side. 2 on the other side were kind of loose, so we tightened those up a bit. And then I'm going to put a few zap straps here. It should be good as factory, I tell you. She's just brand spanking.
Better than factory.
Better than factory. Put that on our more just for extra measures. We want to be not just factory, we want to be better than factory. Oh, somewhere in there, just get in there. There we go, something like that. And we want to do a professional job here. Little tip on your zap straps. Lots of people just cut them with scissors or wire cutters, and then you got that sharp edge. What you do, you grab a set of pliers. It works better if you got better pliers than this, but you just twist like that, I tell ya. And look, that is smooth. Gotta alleviate the, don't need that. That can go back in there. Garbage can go in there for now. And then this one here, you just twist like that. And then that's smooth. But if you get the cheap ones and you do that, sometimes they open up. So if you get the cheap ones, just cut them with the, just don't get the cheap ones. Get the good ones, and then you're starting off. And look at that. That is solid right there, I tell you. That's like, it's gonna, that's pretty good. Good.
We're good?
Yeah, we're good to go. So anyhow, yeah, just quick stop, and next stop, Big Boy Burger at some point. So talk to you in a bit. Well, here we are. As we guys promised, we made it to Big Boy. Big Boy, he is right over there, up top there. Unfortunately, if I want a picture in front of him, I gotta pretty much get in the road. But right here, we got there you go, we got Big Moose apparently, and there's Big Boy on the top of the thing. And we also got a big truck. There you go, right there, big truck with some kick plant on it. So yeah, anyhow, we're gonna go inside, show you guys a little bit inside, and I'm gonna go for the classic Big Boy burger. little bit of history on Big Boy. Just so you guys know, apparently the Big Mac more or less stole their Big Mac burger from Big Boy. It originated from the Big Boy burger. So we did watch a few reviews where people are saying that the Big Boy burger is better than the Big Mac. So I'll see. I'm kind of anxious on finding out. And I'm not sure if you guys ever saw the movie Heat. Great freaking movie. Al Pacino, Robert De Niro. Apparently they eat in Big Boy in that movie. And also, I'll mention about the little kid.
Oh yeah, the little kid, the statue of Big Boy.
That guy, yeah.
Actually is from a little boy. They created it off of an actual real human who enjoyed hamburgers at this restaurant before it was named Big Boy.
Yeah. So we do plan on going there. The original Big Boy is actually in California, Burbank, California. So we will stop there once we're there. So anyhow, yeah, we'll show you guys inside. Cheers. Go. You guys can see we got our world famous Big Boy burger. We got 2 patties, middle bun, and some sauce, and some cheese, and lettuce. So it does look pretty similar to a Big Mac, I gotta say.
It's gonna be better.
I think it's gonna be better. Got some onion rings, just because onion rings is definitely old-fashioned, old school. We got root beer. They're going with root beer. And then we got a chicken
Sandwich and some fries and
so. I'll have my first bite.
yeah.
There you go. Might as well show you guys a bite. I'm not gonna show you guys me eat the whole thing like a slob, but let's get this guy.
That looks like a big burger.
Oh, I got to see the patties, everything. I feel it definitely tastes way better than a Big Mac in my mind. No, this I love it. Good to go. No, definitely big. Not gonna give the number scale. This is number scale up for the donuts. This is just big, huge thumbs up. So, how about yours? You gonna have a bite of your chicken thing?
God.
Can you grab that thing?
I know, that's the thing.
How do you tackle that?
That's the issue here.
You went a little bit overboard, I think. I thought mine was gonna be big. And you got a white shirt. That's awesome.
It's good and messy, okay. Not good, because I got it.
Hey there! As promised, quick little more detailed review of Big Boy Burger. Got some new shades at TSC, by the way, quick for the rain, a little bit better. But yeah, like I mentioned after my first bite, that's better than a Big Mac in my mind. And those onion rings, they are to die for. Those are like seriously best onion rings I have ever tasted. So if ever you're in the States and you're nearby a Big Boy Burger, I strongly recommend Big Boy Restaurant. And your mess of a smorgasbord that you had in
Yeah, my sandwich, they just put way too much sauce on. It would have been tasty if it wasn't just like dripping all over the place. But fries are just generic fries. They weren't the best at all. Like, they were cold. Yeah, I would have went with the onion rings hands down.
Hey, if you ever invite me, I'll give you a good review probably. I'm the candy man. This whole season is a little bit stricter than me.
Well, hey, I know food.
Then yeah, see you guys on the road. Cheers.
Yeah, that was kind of crazy how I was just saying that. When are we in Wisconsin? And your Jippa said, welcome to Wisconsin. We're now in Wisconsin video.
Okay, here we are. As you guys can tell, we are at our camp spot. Nicely, I'm not sure that makes any sense, but nicely, it's a lot better weather than it was earlier at Big Boy. Nicely, is that a word?
Nicely?
Yeah.
It's nicer.
It's nicer. Yeah, okay, well, I'm making nicely a word. I like inventing words every now and then. But yeah, I'll just show you guys. Oh yeah, where are we? Where are we? We're behind a Walmart as normal. It's usually a nice little camp spot. You guys can tell. Look at this. Look at that. That's just beautiful. That's just amazing scenery in my mind. Nice little camp spot there. Nice and quiet, out of sight, out of mind. And for supper tonight, what we got? Had some beef flavored ramen noodles, sweet and spicy light chunk tuna, Cheetos for dessert.
But baked, less fat.
Cheetos, plus got Big Boy cookie that we picked up at Big Boy, obviously. And then Miss All Season, she's got some Oscar Mayer cracker stuff and some Greek yogurt. And then back there we got our tent set up and everything just drying because unfortunately the Go-Wing top boxes aren't really as waterproof as we'd like to be. So if you buy this thing, I'll give you a heads up if you buy it that you might want to look into that or waterproof your gear a little bit better. But yeah, they're giving sun from now on. So yeah, I'm gonna cook supper and probably just chill out for the night. Might watch some Route 66 vids or something like that. Get ourselves all prepared because we. Oh yeah, I didn't say where we are. We're probably like a half hour from
Milwaukee.
Yeah, half hour from Milwaukee.
Saukville, Saukville.
There you go. I can't pronounce
That's where
that.
we are. Yeah, that's where we are.
So like that last time we were here, we had the Harley, so we stopped at the Harley Museum. If you have a Harley, I strongly suggest you stop there. It was definitely a beautiful place. Like
and the food is really good in their restaurant.
I actually had a big, huge chili cheese dog, which was top notch. But yeah, so for today, like that, we're kind of welfare food till we get to Route 66, welfare camp spots. But wait till we get to Route 66. So next episode, then you'll see a little bit of splurging like that. Yeah.
You got to mention your shirt.
As you guys can tell, what's wrong with my shirt?
Okay. This I'll show you. This shirt I've been asking him to get rid of forever.
Like, look at that. That is just barely broken in. Like that is just.
Wait, yeah, we gotta get close up of this. Like, it's got character, right?
It's got character. It's just barely broken in. So I'll probably, you know how I'm gonna end this video. I won't even say anything. I almost feel like I should play American Anthem to it or something to it, but we will probably burn this shirt in this corner over there, and that's.
But
I like finishing on a positive note with videos, but this one might finish on a set. It might bring tears to my eye when I watch it again.
But let the people know where you got this shirt. It was free with a jug of oil.
It was free with and she says she's gonna get me another one someday. Yeah, it was. Try finding that 4-liter pack or 5-liter pack of oil with a free T-shirt now. Good luck. Maybe it'll come on. Maybe they'll have it a special somewhere. If you guys
maybe in America.
If you guys know where to find some Castrol oil with a free Castrol T-shirt, look up your boy All Season. Let me know. But yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video right here. As you guys will probably see, nice little fire later on. So until next time, remember to live, everybody, and cheers, my friends. It's amazing she's not just golfing up this one in a second.
No, you can't stomp it out and save your shirt and wear it tomorrow.
There's just a few more marks there. She's still good. You're growing pretty good.
Gotta watch it all, make sure it goes.